What's up, everybody? It's Melissa from Balance Girls. What's on the menu tonight? Black bean enchiladas. I'm going to show you my process. I get the corn tortillas, dip it in on both sides, a little bit of water, shake that off, put that in the oven or the microwave, 15 seconds. While that's in the microwave, I want to show you some of my process. We have the black refried beans. We have some quinoa / rice, black beans, regular black beans, corn for on top. We have sliced black olives, vegan cheese. This one's Daya, and chopped red onion. Okay, our tortilla's ready, nice and soft. We're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of the black refried. Spread that on. Okay, then about a pinch of the rice. Then we have the black bean, corn, some of that red onion, and then you can put cheese in or vegan cheese, it's up to you. And then the way I do this is I roll it. You don't have to pinch the sides. The refried helps it stick. Then you put it seam down like I did the other one onto your preheated baking sheet. I use parchment paper and I've already greased it. And then when you're ready, you get your enchilada sauce and you drizzle it over the top like this. And then put your cheese on. The top. Go ahead and put some of those black olives on. I'm Italian, so I love black olives. And then you're gonna bake it in the oven, 400 degrees for about 15-20 minutes, and there's your enchiladas.